just going to be a really quick video on how or why sometimes you get this kind of bobbin. Maybe I'm the only one, but when I first got this machine, this is the Brother SE2000. I mean, I've been sewing for a while and I couldn't figure out why the bobbin was doing that. So this is what your bobbin is supposed to look like. Very nice and neat and not lopsided. This one was like lopsided, and it was like not even. And I'll show you how you go from this to this in case you're frustrated. I'm just using the thread that came with the machine, Brother Embroidery bobbin thread. I don't know, 60 pound, or I don't know what that measurement is. But since I have this and I don't want to waste this thread, I'm just going to use it as the spool, like the main spool. So I'm just going to thread it, and this is where you may have made the mistake. So you go 1, 2, and then you bring it across this metal part. There needs to be tension here. So you need to hold one end and then pull it with the other. And that is key. Sorry, I hope you can see. So that it's like taut right there. I was having it where I was just like kind of stringing it along and then it's loose. And then I don't understand how this works. Like you put it on, I think that's how you're supposed to do. You put it on, you wind it around like 5 times and then you cut it. I'm kind of old school, so I'm just going to stick it through the little hole on the top and then pull it out this side with like a few inches left over. So I can hold it up here. I'm going to move it to the right. So I'm going to step on the foot pedal. And I'm going to get it till it like kind of goes up and down a couple times, because then I know the end of the thread is in there and it's secure. And then if you notice, it's going up and down, right? So if this tension is not tight enough, it's just going to kind of pull at the bottom and then eventually go up. But it's better if it's going up and down, and that's like telling you it has good tension and is winding well. So my bobbin ran out in the middle of me doing an embroidery design. I know they said to always have bobbins on hand pre-wound, because to make a bobbin, you're going to have to remove the whole embroidery arm of this machine, which means taking out your embroidery frame, and then it's like messing up the whole alignment of your design. I'm not sure how you get back to that exactly. So always have some bobbins on hand. That way, say you do have to change it, at least you can just remove the frame, change the bobbin really quick. I think you may have to start over, but at least you don't have to take the whole arm off. So after it's done, now it's a nice and neat bobbin. I always label my embroidery bobbins EMB so it doesn't get mixed up with my other ones. So I just have to find my pink Sharpie and go ahead and do that. But yeah, just wanted to put this out there in case anyone else is confused like I was. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more embroidery content later.